Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can share a pinboard in your account or profile on Opera browser. So let us dive into this. So head over to the Opera browser, and you don't even need to be logged into a user account or profile. What you need to do though is navigate to pinboards by clicking into that icon in the top left and by clicking into pinboards here. Next, select the given pinboard here from your list of pinboards. I will go with this one here, and you will see that share button in the top right. And here guys, you can create a shareable link for the given pinboard by clicking into this button, and then you will see that link here. You may copy it to a clipboard and use it, for instance, to invite your co-editors or contacts to look into your pinboard, and that's it. Let me just disable that invitation link. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.